This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Driving our 72 C10. There you can see we're only going along 50 because got a car in front of us. But boy, it drives nice. Doesn't wander. Suspension nice and tight. Got tubular A-arms up front, both, and then the front and rear been lowered, but still drives nice. We're cruising along right about 60. One thing I know it probably needs is some new mirrors. These aftermarket mirrors that are on there are kind of vibrate on the passenger side and stuff, or on the, both sides. So I'd probably need some new mirrors. We may get that done, but right now that's about the only thing I know the truck needs. So pretty minor detail, but corner, and I will turn around and go through the shift. It's got a 350 turbo in it. Said no wander, no clunks or bangs, so just a nice driving truck. Steering, power brakes.